Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtbike.com, and this is how to bleed the brake system on your 2009 to 2010 Honda CRF450r. The tools you'll need are an 8mm wrench, clear tubing, catch pan, and shop towels. The only part you will need is a bottle of fresh .4 brake fluid. Remember, brake fluid will damage your pads, so keep your shop towels ready. The bleeding procedure is the same on the front and rear brakes. Connect your tube to the bleeder valve and place the drain end in your catch pan. Fill the reservoir to the marked limit, but do not install the cap. The brakes are a sealed system, so installing the reservoir cap will work against the bleeding process by creating a vacuum in the reservoir. Firmly apply the brakes and hold them. With pressure applied, open the bleeder valve. After the system pressure is released, close the bleeder valve, then release the brake. Do not pump your brakes. If you pump the brakes with the valve open, you will draw air back into the system. Repeat this process until the air bubbles have stopped and only brake fluid can be seen in the tube. If you are replacing fluid, repeat this process until fresh brake fluid is pumped from the caliper. Throughout the bleeding process, keep an eye on your fluid level. If you let the reservoir drain, you will introduce air from the opposite side of the brake system, and you need to start over. Make sure to visit FixYourDirtbike.com to learn everything about your dirt bike, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.